Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Artwell7777. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of the journaling set that I have bought just few days before. So let's go. So first these are some background papers and these are really good. The contrast of the paper is also very good and the paper quality is very good. I actually like these papers very much and I'm going to use them and I have even used them also. And then I have what I have. Yeah, I have these cute washi stickers back. So these come with different colors, but the shades of purple, and these shades are very good, and they stick so well on the paper. And I have these cute little irregular shapes stickers also, and they cute little stickers with some beautiful sceneries on them. And I'm also gonna paste them on the background paper because no paper is available here in front of me right now. So after that, these are another stickers and these cute little tags that I'm gonna use also. And these are, I tell you, these are really good and the paper. And then after that, these stickers with cute little dates also on it. And these are also really good. And then I am having these cute little pictures. Not little, but they are quite big and they are wow, literally wow. They're so amazing. The pictures made on them, they are so great. I like these pictures and I wanted more, but these are less, so what can we do now? And after that, I'm having this cute little checklist as they are 50. They're very huge in number and they're really good. I'm not going to only use them in journaling, but in different things also. And I like these ones also, and I'm going to write so many things also, and I'm going to show you all the things that I will do on my videos that I will be uploading on my YouTube channel. And then after I have this memo pad set of 50. I'm having 50 memo pads and these are also quite good. Not bad, but not that much good. I like them. Means average. And after that I'm having these cute little, I don't know what to tell them, maybe bookmarks type of and these are really good. And the pictures made on them, the quality of paper, the paper is a little bit of type of like different, and it's really good. I have written something on it with another language, maybe Japanese. And then I have these menu cards type, and it's I'm having 30. I'm not sure about only 30, maybe more or less. And these are also very good and amazing. I actually liked all of them. And after that I have these stickers and it's having some quotes written on it and having these circle shaped stickers with different vibrant colors of purple. Let me show you clearly these. What's written? Yeah, it has written so many quotes and these quotes are really good and I'm gonna use them also. And then I have these postal stamps. I'm having really less of them, but these are really good and so cute. They're wow, so much cute and so wow, so pretty and so means aesthetic. And after that, yeah, actually I'm having so less of them, so I'm quite sad. I wanted more of them, but what can we do, as I told you. And then after that I'm having these cute little envelopes. I'm having two of them. Yeah, they are sufficient. I'm having two of them because I'm not using it that much. But if it would be if you're having the birthday of your friend, you can just give it you the card in it, and you can even fit these things like the menu card. You can also fit in it, and it's very easily going in it. And these are really good. I like them. Then I guess I'm having few things left. I'm having so many things. Like then having washi tapes, two washi tapes. I like washi tapes so much. I'm having this blue one and then this one having a little bit. It's having something written on it. So much these type of words, sentences written on it, and also very good and of really good quality. I like them so much, but I wanted more washi tapes, but these are also sufficient. Then I'm having these cute little picture cards, 50 picture cards, and they are so good. I want to show you all of them. They are so amazing. They're having beautiful pictures and they are so cute. The paper is so hard that makes it so unique, and they are so good. I'm going to show you these all one by one. You look at them, they are so good. The one which I like the most, the things that I like the most was these picture cards. They were so good and I like them so much. I want to show you all of them. And then these cute little vibrant colors, postcards of different colors. And after that, I'm having the most important, finally, the most important thing, that's the journaling diary. Because from on the diary, we can do the journaling. So, this is very, very amazing diary. The pattern of the diary and the paper quality of the diary is really very good, and I was super excited that I had already done one page of the journaling, and I'm so sorry for that I had done that before without shooting any video. But the next journalings I will do with all of you by sharing my videos also. I'm sorry for that, but I'm gonna show you what I did on the first page. But and it was so really good, and the cover was really very good. But I like the diary without the cover. The without the cover, the diary was really good. But with cover, it's also really nice. Look, guys, I have made this. I don't know. Did you like it or not? Just tell me in the comments. And I just made it. It's my first page, and the next page I will make with you, all of you, by shooting my videos. I hope so you will like it because it was my first try with the new journaling kit. And then let's close this up. Okay, let's close it. Bye guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and watch the shorts also.